Okay, this is Isaac Clarke in the 9 o'clock section of Computer Science 110 with Mr. Wellman, and this is extra credit problem 6. So first up we got a function called triangle, which instead of accepting a color argument, it uses some global variables right here. We got some colors and the color index, which will go back and forth between those colors. So if color index is 0, then it adds 1, or else it subtracts 1. So it goes back and forth between 0 and 1. And it just draws a triangle of that color. So then we've got a stack of triangles, which accepts static size right here. It's the abbreviation as size. And then it's got a distances of the center from the side and from the vertex. And we've got a for loop right here, which is going to go through 10 times for 10 layers, and it's going to draw a triangle with size. Go left, and forward, so that it's closer to the center. Then it's gonna change size. It's gonna subtract 1/10 of static size from size, and repeat that until size is nothing. Then it's gonna go forward from the vertex and put the pen down. Or it's going to pick the pen up and go forward from the vertex. So, I actually did this a little roundabout way. I made hexagons with the triangles, and that's why it's in range 6 right here. It goes around and makes 6 triangles. And then it goes forward, size times 3, so 1, 2, 3. Into the middle of another hexagon, so that's kind of cool. Then draw all just draws lines of hexagons that overlap into this pattern. And yeah, if it's even, then it goes forward and to fit between these 2 hexagons, or else it just goes to the very beginning and starts to draw them. And these are just to start it at the top there. Yeah, this is a fun one.